All new working garden codes. Grow a garden grows offline. New lunar update. New lunar update as well. We got a bunch of new codes. Oh wait. Is the light. Is the light. Is the light. The light is shining. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, who is growing this giant fruit? That one is scary. That one's actually scary. Alright boys, do not steal from my garden, okay? Do not steal from my garden, please. I will be literally going over and redeeming every single grow a garden code right now, so you can actually get yourself all the new egg, the new pack, and look at the battle pass. They got a whole battle pass. They get the fruits and the owl and the direct. Look at battle pass, new grow a garden battle pass. Alright, open up your settings, scroll all the way down, and you can type in the codes right there. So I can zoom it in as well. Bang, zoom in. New codes. Do not miss out on any of these codes. The first code is going to be glow 10 lunar glow 10. So this is the first code. Boom. Code is not active. Well, that's kind of sad. I thought there was gonna be some codes. Huh? Grow a garden. Hello. Wait, I might didn't type it. I didn't type it correctly. Lunar glow 10. It's bugging. It's actually bugging. I hope. Wait, maybe it's not working because it's like an old server. Maybe it's an old server. That's why it's not working. I can see an egg. I can see an egg. We're gonna buy this egg because I think this egg is gonna be good, right? Uncommon egg. I mean, I would like to have the bug egg. The bug egg is better. The bug egg. I'm gonna get a bug egg. So, if you wanna become professional in Grow a Garden, you have to buy these pack. Like complete the quest. You have to talk to the owl, and then you have to give me moonlit fruit to get more lunar points. Okay, moonlit. Which one is moonlit? Is this one moonlit? Carrot. Moonlit. Where is moonlit? Where is moonlit? Moonlit, where is he at? I don't see moonlit. Is this moonlit? Easter egg? Is this Easter egg moonlit? Maybe cactus? Maybe this cactus. Cactus, please. Moonlit. Okay, I'm gonna collect this Easter egg. Maybe it's moonlit. Oh, this is harder than I thought. Okay, collect it. Now we're searching egg. Egg. Easter egg, wed, frozen, shocked. Oh, this one is shocked. It wasn't even mullet. Wait, so how do I get a mullet? How do I get mullet? Alright boys, if you would like to have an extra slot equip, comment down below moon. Comment down below moon if you want extra slot equip. You can also get it for free. You can just give pets to the guy and then you can get free pets. I'm gonna give this bamboo to the pet guy and I'm gonna get the one free and it's gonna be all good. So I'm gonna be giving away 3 extra slot giveaway. If you want 3 extra slot giveaway, then comment the secret word. Alright boys, like the video, subscribe,